Check out these tungsten flipping and finesse jig kits from Harmony Fishing Company. The flipping jig kit comes with 2 jig heads, 2 rattles, 5 bait pegs, as well as 4 different colored skirts: green pumpkin, bluegill, black and blue, and PB&J. You also have different weights to choose from 3/8 all the way up to 1 ounce. The finesse jig kit comes with 3 jig heads and the same 4 colored skirts. Weights vary from 1/16 up to 1/4 of an ounce. You can check these out for yourself at harmonyfishing.com. Remember to use code WOF10 for 10% off your entire order.